Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Larissa. Hey girl, hey, welcome, join the family. Yes, I got a new backdrop finally. Well, not a new backdrop, I got a backdrop, okay? I'm investing because I want this channel to keep growing. I want to make sure that what I'm putting out is the best of the best. I'm always going to be pushing myself. I want to give everything that I do my best. So I'm investing in lighting, I'm investing in backdrops. Can't even talk right now because I'm that excited. But I just want to make sure that the content that I'm putting out there is top notch. So today's look is like a nice cranberry look that I think is just so feminine. It's so girly. It's appropriate for all skin types. It looks good on any eye color you have. If you have blue, green, hazel, brown, dark brown, it's going to look pretty. I have yet to see like colors like this on someone and think like, ooh girl, not your shade. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So as you guys can already see, one side of my face is done. Well, one eye is already done. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys only on one eye because I'm on a little bit of a time crunch, but I really did want to film this look for you guys. And I just thought a tutorial like this would be easier to follow if me and you guys watching would have some sort of a guide. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape and the color light medium sand. It's my regular concealer color, and I'm just gonna use that and start blending it out with this Sigma brush. My eyes are a little stained because I was trying to do this look and I was just being so extra with the steps and honestly just hated how it turned out. So I was just like, you know what, start over. I wasted an hour on that look, but I just rather have something on here that I love rather than to put something out that I completely hate. So yeah, that's what happened. So I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this very deep red brick color right here with a Sigma E55 brush. It's just like a nice flat shader brush. So I'm going to be picking up this color, and we are going to be doing a cut crease. So because of that, I'm going to be you're going to see that I'm going to start off with deep colors and then kind of blend my way out with lighter colors. And I'm just going to be patting that on. Then I'm just going to gently blend that out with this is from a collection of brushes that I got from BH. It's the Marble collection, and it comes with the brush holders. So they don't have names, but they do have numbers. So this one is number 7 out of this collection, and it's a nice tapered, very small, precise brush. So it's great for these kind of like a cut crease look. So I'm just going to be gently going in circular motions and blending this out. I love looks like this because I feel like they're so feminine when you just play around with these like dark berry colors and pinks and then add like that pop of champagne. I just think it looks so good. So then with my BH Cosmetics palette, this one is the Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm gonna go in with this kind of like a magenta color up here at this corner, and I'm gonna be taking brush number 5 from the collection. I like this color because, well, first little disclaimer, I love this palette. The colors are super bright, but the pigmentation is a little off. So the color that you see in the pan is not really the color that you get on your eyelids, but it is still a good, it's a really good palette. I like it. So I'm just gonna be patting this color on first, and then with the same brush I'll start blending it. The trick with starting with darker colors and then placing a lighter color on top is that it makes your blending job so much easier than if you were to work the opposite way. And we have that on. I am going to be picking up a different brush. This one is number 8, and it's more of a flat shader brush. And I'm gonna be picking up this palette by Morphe. I'm gonna be picking up this nice bright red shade called Fire, and it's this one right here. And I'm going to be placing that where this magenta color is at. I don't know, I feel like it just gives it something extra than to just have the magenta on by itself. So with this, you can take your time and just make sure your eyes are both identical, or at least very similar. Now what I'm going to be doing is going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette with a 221 brush. This was the first brush that I used to kind of put the guide of the crease. And I'm going to be going into this like bubblegum pink shade, just like a nice soft pink. So really quickly, because I'm about to cut the crease, but I just kind of want to go back and make sure that my colors are as vibrant as I want them to be. So if there's anything that needs to kind of be reapplied, I can kind of do that now. Like this purple is looking good. Go back in with this one. Go over that edge. So now that we have our colors and everything is blended, we can cut the crease. So I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape, which I use to prime my eyes, and the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. So I just put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, just so that I don't get that applicator dirty. And I'm just going to be, not really going to cut the entire crease. I'm just going to cut like about half of it. So then I take my finger and I just blend out this edge right here. And I'm just gonna fix this little, perfect. And then just kind of drag it down. This MAC brush, it's a flat shader brush. And I'm going to be going into these two light colors from the Jacqueline palette. The first one is this third on this side. And then I'm going to be going in with, I think it was the first one that I used right here. So the first, second. So this first shade is more of a nice silvery pink, which I think is super appropriate for the inner eye. And just look how vibrant that goes on. So pretty. So then into this one, right above the gold. Yeah, it was this color. Okay, I wasn't too sure if this was the second color I used, but it looks about right. So then whatever's left, I'm just gonna just gently pat it. It's cranberry colored right here on the same brush, just to kind of help fade this corally pink into this dark purple. Then back with this number 7 brush, I'm going to go into that deep red color that started off our look, where it's right here, to blend out this outer corner. So next I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And I'm just going to lightly be filling in my eyebrows so then I can start cleaning up under them. And I feel like, why is it that once you have your eyebrows done, your look is like transformed and it just starts looking so good. Go back with Shape Tape and this flat Lancome concealer brush. I am going to be cleaning up under my eyebrows and on top, which I did not do on this side. on top of the eyebrows just to make them look extra sharp. So the highlight that I'm using under my eyebrows is this one. It's so hard to show because it's broken, but it is Champagne Pop by Becca. And it's just such a pretty color that I think goes perfectly with this look. So I'm just applying some under my eyebrows. I'm gonna apply some eyeliner. This one is by NYX. It's the Liquid Matte. Just so that when I put my eyelashes on, they have something to sit on versus just like the shimmer, which can look a little So next I'm just going to be applying some lashes by Shop Eden Rose. Shop Eden, yes, that's the name of them. It's a cool website, you can check them out. These eyelashes I think were like 10 bucks. And these are in the style Bossy. So I'm actually gonna save some time. Nope, I'm gonna do them on camera. So I just take them and I use the dual adhesive. So I'm just like brushing it on, making sure I get those edges. So I'm just gonna let these start drying. You can blow on them if they are your own eyelashes. So I'm just going to start kind of like looking down and measuring out where they go, popping in that corner, securing the corners first, the other corner, inner corner, and then securing the middle. It's kind of like slightly pressing it towards your eye. Okay, lashes are on. Now I'm going to be doing the bottom of my eyes using some of the same colors that were on the eyelids. So first one I want to apply is the brick color with the same brush that we've been using, which is the small number 7 brush. And I'm just going to be, let me get a little closer. Okay. So just I'm going to be using this is from the brushes that come with the Anastasia palette. I'm going to be using the flat shader side just because I don't have another small one clean, and I'm going to go in with the magenta color from the Take Me Back to Brazil. So it's looking a little crazy, but only because of the reason that I don't have any foundation or anything like that on. So let me go do that and I'll bring you guys back to complete the eyes. So I'm all done with my face. Now I wanted to add some black eyeliner into my waterline, but I actually ran out of my favorite one by Marc Jacobs. So I'm going to be trying this one and see if it still even works. Oh wow, what a difference. Okay. I'll just coat the bottom lashes a little bit, just so that they're not pink or white from the foundation. So just with the literally lip gloss, just going to be coating them lightly, just so that they have something and they're not so plain. Alright guys, this concludes the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I think it's so fun, girly, and just so appropriate for the holidays, if not for all year long, just because I think pinks and purples are always in. But as always, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. That way you are notified and you're aware every time that I post a new video. So I hope you guys noticed that I have a new backdrop. Hey, things are only just getting better in this channel. So please make sure you're a part of that family and you're following this journey. Until next time, I love you so much. Happy holidays. And until next time. Mwah.